Have you ever watched someone walk away, cold, distant, while deep inside you knew she'd never find another like you? There's a unique kind of pain, not because she left, but because she'll never admit she was wrong. And what triggers her regret isn't your anger, it's your silence. The moment she loses all control over your presence. You gave her your time, your energy, maybe even your heart. And still, she acts like it meant nothing, like you were disposable. But here's what most men don't realize: women don't regret things right away. Their pride, their ego, and all the validation from friends and social media, they shield them from the truth. For a while, they convince themselves they've leveled up, that they're moving forward, that they don't need to look back. But then comes the turning point, when the illusion breaks and regret slowly creeps in. The biggest mistake men make, trying to force that moment. They plead, they text, they seek closure, they hope to change her mind. But here's the truth: regret doesn't come from words, it comes from absence. It's when she realizes she no longer has access to you, when she can't reach you, control you, or affect your emotions anymore. That's what cracks her ego, not your sadness, but your indifference. This is where Stoicism and dark psychology enter. Real strength isn't found in chasing, it's found in walking away, without ever looking back. A woman doesn't regret losing a man who breaks. She regrets losing the one who disappears, grows, and becomes more than she ever imagined. By the end of this video, you will no longer be the man she left. You'll become the man she remembers but can never have again. If that's the man you're ready to become, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Pain is my teacher. Every moment of suffering is a lesson, if you have the discipline to learn from it. Now let's begin. Part 1. The truth about women and regret. Sometimes what shakes her up isn't what you say, it's what you don't say. Attraction isn't built on logic, it's built on power. And the moment you hand her all the power, the game ends. But here's what most men never realize: the quieter you become, the louder her mind gets. She expects you to react, to get angry, to chase, to fight for her. But when you don't, when you choose total silence, it breaks the entire image she had of you. The moment she senses she's no longer important to you, doubt sets in. So instead of chasing, you walk away. You give her nothing, no rage, no sadness, no desperate message, just silence. That's how you reclaim power. And if she ever comes back, it won't be because you convinced her. It'll be because she convinced herself. Now ask yourself, are you the man who begs or the man who lets her regret? If you choose power over weakness, like the video, subscribe and comment below. I walk away like a king because kings don't beg, they move forward. Number 3, the Stoics' first move, emotional control. When she leaves, your first instinct might be to explode, to prove your worth, to show her what she lost. But that's exactly what she expects. It's the move of weak men, and weak men never change a woman's mind. The first move of a Stoic man is clear. Control your emotions. This doesn't mean suppressing them, it means mastering them. A weak man is ruled by emotions, a strong man rules over them. And when you gain control over your emotions, you take control of the situation. Because the moment you stop reacting, she starts wondering. She expects jealousy, messages, tears, but you give her none of that. Instead of confirming her decision, you make her doubt it. Instead of feeding her ego, you starve it. This is the power of emotional detachment. A woman doesn't regret losing the man who begs, she regrets losing the one she can no longer affect. At first, she won't notice. But when she sees you calm, unbothered, and thriving in silence, doubt creeps in. She starts to wonder, why isn't he broken? Why does he seem so composed? And that's when regret begins. But here's the key. This only works if your calm is real. If you fake it while secretly hoping she comes back, she'll sense it. That's why true Stoicism isn't an act, it's a mindset. You detach from what you can't control. You accept that people come and go, but your self-respect stays. And once you embrace that, you become untouchable. From now on, you respond to nothing. No desperate texts, no emotional outbursts, no proving your worth, only silence and self-improvement. Because a man who masters his emotions masters everything. If you understand this, like the video, subscribe, and comment below. I master my emotions because the man who controls himself can never be broken. Up next, let's uncover the most unsettling tactic of all, the dark psychology of indifference. Once you've mastered emotional control and embraced silence, the next step is simple. Evolve in private. Most men try to signal something to their ex. They post photos to make her jealous. They drop vague captions hoping she sees. But a true Stoic man doesn't need validation. He disappears and improves in silence. No explanations, no announcements, only results. Regret doesn't show up when she leaves, it shows up when she sees you thriving without her. When she realizes she was just a chapter in your story, not the whole book, and the only way to make that reality is to focus entirely on your own growth. Work on your mind. Strengthen your body. Pursue your purpose. Not to make her jealous, but to make yourself proud. When a man is fully committed to his evolution, he becomes untouchable, and ironically, that's when women start to notice. The world rewards the man who moves forward without hesitation, and the truth is, she's watching. Even if she doesn't message you, even if she acts like she's moved on, even if she's with someone else, she's paying attention, and nothing hits her harder than realizing she left a man who only became better after she left. So stop worrying about her. Stop wondering if she regrets it yet. Stop waiting for closure. Your success is the only closure you'll ever need. If you understand this, like the video, subscribe, and comment below. I rise in silence because the strongest men don't seek revenge. They become impossible to ignore. Number 6. The inevitable return. Why she comes back. Women always come back, but not because they miss you. They miss the power they once had over you. When you stop chasing, when you go silent, when you grow beyond anything she expected, something changes. She begins to wonder, to compare, to realize you were the best she ever had. And now she can't reach you. At first, she convinces herself she's over it. She surrounds herself with distractions, seeks validation, maybe even finds a new man. But over time, reality creeps in, the excitement fades, and now she starts asking, what's he doing? Does he still think about me? Here's the truth. Women crave what they can't have. They're drawn to mystery, to challenge, to emotional uncertainty, and nothing creates more mystery than a man who vanishes and returns as someone entirely new. That's why she always returns. When you no longer want her, the moment she feels she's lost her grip, her ego is bruised, she might send a casual message, react to your post, ask mutual friends about you. But don't be fooled, she's not coming back because she's changed. She's coming back to see if you have, and this is where most men fail. They get excited, they believe she regrets it, she wants me back. They respond, engage, try to rekindle. And just like that, the power shifts again. The cycle repeats. That's why the real test isn't if she returns. It's whether you still care when she does. If you understand this, like the video, subscribe and comment below. I am the prize because the man who knows his worth never questions if others see it. Up next, let's break down the biggest trap most men fall for when she reaches out and how to pass the ultimate test. When she comes back, the question isn't does she regret it? It's do you even care anymore? The biggest mistake most men make is this. They stop growing the moment they get her attention again. They think, she's back, I've won. But real power doesn't come from making her regret. It comes from staying focused on your own path, so much so that her regret becomes irrelevant. A Stoic man does not live for the approval of others. He does not let his worth be defined by a woman's opinion of him. He knows relationships, emotions, people, they are all temporary. But his purpose, his discipline, his self-respect, those last forever. So ask yourself, is she the reason you're improving? Or are you improving because that's who you are now? If you're only leveling up to get her attention, she still controls you. True power comes when your transformation has nothing to do with her and everything to do with you. A man at this level doesn't need closure, doesn't need validation, doesn't need to prove anything, because deep down he's always known he was the prize. And when a woman realizes that, when she sees that you've become a man who's unfazed by her absence, that's when she truly understands what she lost. But by then, it won't matter, because you've already moved on. If this message resonates with you, like the video, subscribe and comment below. I am unshakable, because the man who masters himself can never be controlled by anyone else. Number 9, the final lesson. She'll never admit it, but she feels it. She won't tell you. She won't say she regrets it, but deep down, she does. Women are experts at protecting their ego. Even if she realizes she lost a rare man, she won't give you the satisfaction. Instead, she'll act unbothered, like she's moved on, like you never cross her mind. But her actions will betray her. She'll check your stories. She'll appear where you are. She'll react to your success like she's trying not to care, but can't help it. Regret doesn't always speak in words. It speaks in silences, in hesitation, in fake indifference. And the greatest revenge, not needing to hear it. Because now, you're no longer the man she left. You no longer seek approval from those who walked away. You're no longer waiting for closure, explanations, or signs. You don't need them. Because the real win isn't making her regret it. It's reaching the point where her regret means nothing. And that's what shatters her ego. She'll never admit it, but she'll feel it. And by the time she does, you'll already be far ahead, chasing something greater. If this truth speaks to you, like the video, subscribe, and comment below. I have already won, because the man who walks away without looking back is always the one who ends up on top. Now you have a choice to make. Stay stuck in the past, or walk forward like a king. Let's close this journey with a message just for you in the final part. Right now, you're standing at a crossroads. On one side is the past, where you keep replaying memories, hoping she'll return. On the other side is your future, where you don't need validation because you know deep down you were always the prize. The truth is, this journey was never about her. It's always been about you, your discipline, your emotional control, your evolution into a man who cannot be shaken by loss. A man who doesn't seek validation, who doesn't break under pressure, and who doesn't waste time on those who walked away. Because the ultimate power isn't making her regret it. It's becoming so powerful, so focused, so complete within yourself that her regret no longer matters. And when you reach that point, life will reward you with new opportunities, with meaningful connections, with levels of success you never imagined. All of it waiting the moment you finally let go of the past. If you've made it this far, it means you're ready. Ready to rise above pain. Ready to become the man who earns respect, not begs for it. The man who walks away like a king. If you're committed to this path, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the wisdom that sets you apart, and comment below. I never look back, because the man who moves forward never loses. He only becomes greater. Until next time, stay strong, stay sharp, and keep moving forward.